It was a long journey in the water for a writer. It seemed a long way down. It was a long journey, a long way for the writer. Why? Because the writer was fallen down in the deepest side of the swimming pool. In the previous video we had seen that in every swimming pool there are two sides, and in one side there is not deep, we can say it is called shallow side, and another side is very deep, that is called deep side. Unfortunately, the writer was fallen down in the deepest side of the swimming pool. Those 9 feet were more like 90. The writer was feeling that they were not like 9 feet, but they were as if 90 feet, because it was too much struggle for the writer. And before I touch bottom, and before the writer would touch the bottom, means the lower part of the swimming pool, my lungs were ready to burst. His lungs were not working properly. The water entered his lungs and his lungs were out of control. His lungs were going to stop. But when my feet hit bottom, but when writer's feet touched the bottom, I summoned means gathered, collected all my strength. Strength means energy. Writer gathered all his energy when his legs touched the bottom. Because what was the plan? The plan of the writer was to jump and come at the surface, at the upper level. I imagine I would bob. Bob means to move to the surface. In his imagination, the author was thinking that he would move and he would go, come at surface like a cork. Like a cork. Cork means lid of a bottle. Sometimes it is made of a wood also. Generally, whenever you see the bottle, then the lid of the bottle is made of steel, iron, sometimes it is made of wood. So cork means that, and generally this type of thing can easily float on the surface of water. So writer was also thinking that he was go upside and he will float like a cork. I opened my eyes, but what happened? It was only the imagination of the writer. But when he opened his eyes, I opened my eyes and saw nothing but water, water, water. When writer opened his eyes, he could not see anything. He saw only water. Water that had a dirty yellow tinge. Tinge means color. But which type of water? This water was not very clean, but it was very dirty. A dirty yellow, the color, because of the dirt, the color of the water was yellowish, yellow. Tinge means color. To eat, because writer was fallen in the deep part, deep side of the swimming pool. And in deep side, obviously the water was not pure. In shallow side, the water may be clear, clean. But in deep side, the water was not very clean. I grew panicky. Panicky, the word derived from panic. Panic means fear. Grew is the past of grew. I grew panicky means The fear, the panic was increased in writer. I was suffocating. Suffocation means not able to take breath. I was suffocating. The author was not able to take the breath properly. I tried to yell. Yell means to shout. Writer was inside the water. Everywhere there was water and he was trying to shout. But no sound came out. But who will listen his shout? No sound came out. Because if he opened the mouth for shouting, the water naturally enter in the mouth. That's why no sound came out. Then my eyes and nose came out of water, but not my mouth. I fled at the surface of the water. Fled means waving the hands. The writer was waving his hands and he was trying to come at the surface. Surface means upper level. He was trying to come at the upper level of the water. But what happened? Swallowed. Because he did not know swimming, that's why the water entered in his mouth. And he swallowed means drank the water. And choked. Choked means his throat was feeling suffocation. He was not able to take the breath properly. He was feeling suffocation. I tried to bring my legs up, but they hung as dead weights. The writer was trying to raise his hands, but he was feeling, his legs were feeling too much weightage, and because of too much weightage, he was not able to shake his legs, move his legs. His legs became like, his legs were like a dead person's legs. His legs became dead. Not dead means not working properly because of his legs were feeling weighted. Paralyzed. Dead person who has this disease, paralysis, he is not able to move any part of the body. So this was the situation of writer. And rigid. Rigid means without life. His legs lost the liveliness. A great force was pulling me under. Great force means naturally it is the force of water. The force of water was pulling the writer inside. I screamed. Scream means shout. Writer was shouting. But only the water heard me. But nobody was listening his shouting. Only water was hearing and listening his shouting. Why? Because everywhere there was water, water and water. I had lost all my breath. My lungs ached. Ached means pain. Writer was getting pain at his lungs. My head throbbed. Throbbed means also pain. Writer was getting pain in his head. I was getting dizzy. Dizzy means confused. The writer became totally confused. What to do in such situation? He could not understand. So this is about deep water. Here in this lesson, in this part, we can see the writer's struggle inside the water.